Good morning students, myself Rajesh sir. Today we are starting the drawing art subject. In the drawing, various shapes, forms, colors are using in the drawing. Today we will discuss about the design. You can see design everywhere. Table, chair, car, mobile, laptop, buildings, bridge, all the things are design. But they have the different names in the academic session, like interior designing, architecture, product design, car design, etc. So today we will start the design basic in this assignment. So let's start the drawing. First you have to practice the lines. Try to maintain the distance same between two lines. Okay, these are the straight line or vertical. Now horizontal line. You have to practice this line. Okay, now wavy line. Every day you have to practice, and you practice and show me. When you will practice, it will be easy to do the drawing. Now crisscross line. Try to maintain same distance in between two lines. Okay, now curve line. Curve line, anywhere it is going. See here. So there will be the practice to your eye, anywhere you can move. Then now half circle, semicircle. Now opposite side. Okay, then slanting line. Okay, now different lines which can create the forms like that. For example, this line is creating the different form. For example, this will go like this. here, again here, and this form has created. So different lines will create the different forms, so you will be able to do design properly, or you can create your own form to use in the design. Okay, like this. So many forms you can create. This line, or you can create like this. So like this different forms you will create, and you can use it in the design, so your design will be beautiful. Now like this form. Okay, so different forms you will draw, or you can draw. Sorry. Like this. Okay, one more line you can draw like this, so you will get a beautiful form like this. Like this. So you can do many forms. Like this. Okay, so you have to practice this assignment. Many form you can create. Apart from this, you can practice these lines also. Means you can like this, you can do like this. So again and again you will do, you will have practice. This form is very useful in our still life or object drawing, so you practice many times. If you are unable to do like this, you can practice like this. Many times you do on the paper when you are free, or so you will be expert. So practice again and again. Small, big, like this. So I hope you understood the importance of lines, forms. You can make a like this form also. You can see here. Like a bird, or many forms you can do, like butterfly. So this form you can use in a design. One side butterfly, two side, both the sides, both the wings you can show. So many forms you can try. And in design we are using very simplified form of fish or bird or butterfly, not as it is same to same, because design is a simplified work. Okay, so I hope that you understood the importance of forms, lines in the design, and you have to practice it and you have to show me. Okay, apart from this you can also you can create own form. Understand? Now we can do other forms. Of flowers. Leaf. Leaves. So this, like this form you can use in the design. Like this. These forms are creating the beauty in your work. Okay. Very simple form. You have to practice it again and again. Then you will be able to use these forms in design. Or you can create your own form also, no problem. So you can see here. So like these forms can be used in a design. Okay, I think you are understanding. When you will practice, you will be able to do like this form. You can make simple form also. You can practice your own form, no problem. So these are the different types of forms that we are using in a design. Okay, now our regular forms. You can create like a bird type. Decorative form like this you can create, that you can use in the design. And our regular forms that we are using in a design, triangle. When you are drawing the geometrical shapes in the design, you have to use the geometrical instrument like scale, compass, circular. circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, square, pentagon. This is only symbolic, you can practice. Hexagon. So I hope you understood the basics of design, forms, lines, elements. These leaves and flowers are the natural elements. This butterfly and fish are the natural. Lines are geometrical. These are decorative forms, correct? That can be used in the design. Okay. So I hope you have understood the basics of the design. Thank you. You have to practice it and you have to show me. Not all the forms, but maximum you can practice. Okay. Thank you.